While the world has done numerous efforts to establish literacy, music illiteracy remains as high as 90% globally. Why is this an issue? Research has shown over and over that music helps in the brain development. It is highly correlated with teamwork, discipline skills, and it goes all along the way to therapeutic benefits, cognitive skills, memory skills. The problem with music education can be further dissected into three main issues. The first one is that most curriculums relies on the classical approach, and not everyone likes classical music. We live in an age where there are 41 basic music genres, 337 subcategories were created out of them. As a music enthusiast and a mom, I can tell you how painful it is to get my kids to attend a music lesson if they don't really like what they are playing or what they are learning. Adding on top of that the tension of finding the right tutor and the right time and the convenient location to practice music, and not to mention, of course, the heavy investment we put behind these instruments. The solution we are here to present today is an online platform that basically connects students to professional musicians through a smart matchmaking algorithm that is based on their music interests, skills, proficiency levels, and locations. Anyone will have access to a network of professional musicians, a variety of music skills from playing instruments to writing lyrics, music production, anything you would like to learn. Each professional musician has his own biography and ratings and reviews and also his availability. So you can easily book your lesson, whether it's at home, online, or in a convenient nearby studio. And you can also choose to rent any instrument of your choice at an affordable cost, and it will be delivered prior to your class. Our prime prospect is the young, tech savvy, affluent community of music enthusiasts and also young moms who are always looking to unleash the full potential of their kids. The global market size of music education, along with music instruments, is about $10 billion globally, and it's growing at a CAGR of 18%. Our serviceable market size based on this solution and launching in Egypt is around $50 million, and we target a share out of it of 2%. Our business model, like any other on demand service app, relies on three main revenue streams. The first one is the commission we get out of every transaction. The second one is advertisement done on a website or application. It is not yet launched. And the third one is the renting the instrument that we offer as a service on top of the classes. Based on our financial projections, we plan to break even in year one and to offer an ROI of 215% by year three. Our competitive landscape can be divided into three buckets. The first one is music academies. They are basically they have physical location and they rely on well-known academic curriculums. The second one is private lessons. They are basically quite convenient, yet deemed a bit expensive. And the third one is online applications like Musician, Tonara, or Flowkey. They are actually growing at a CAGR of 16%, and they offer ready-made content, not online tutoring, and it's enabled through gamification. How we differentiate ourselves in Crescendoes is the interactive connection we offer between the student and the tutor, and that guarantees a good progress in the education journey. Also, the scale and the network of the community of professional musicians that we have, the intellectual property of the smart matchmaking algorithm that is enabled via AI, and we plan to continue investing in augmented reality and immersed reality. And let me elaborate on this point a bit. Some of you might have a smartwatch that tracks your steps, your training, and your heartbeat. Imagine in a few years that Crescendos will have this wearable device that can track your music practice, tell you how good was it, give you positive feedback, set some reminders for you. All of this will be enabled through voice recognition modules. Another example would be the social network that this application will build over time for musicians. Your son is an excellent football player, let's say. Unless he is part of a team, you can't really say he's playing football. And the same thing goes for music. Through Crescendos, you will be able to connect to other musicians who plays various instruments and who also like the genres that you like. You will be able to book a jamming session with them, record some music, and maybe share it with a wider audience on music streaming applications. The third competitive advantage that we take pride in is the convenience of choosing the location and the time of your class. So far, we have had 2K followers, 500 registrations, and 150 completed classes. Our customer acquisition approach combines reaching our target audience through digital marketing on our social media platforms and also approaching schools and universities, which we consider as our B2B leg. We want to partner with them and offer tailored services based on their needs. I am Mayriz Allah. I am the founder and I have an experience for 10 years in Procter& Gamble. I have worked in marketing and in research. My co-founder and CTO, Kirolos Bebawi, he has an experience of 7 years in software development in various companies. He is leading the team of developers with him. We are also recruiting in marketing and sales calibers to focus on customer acquisition. We have a large number of professional musicians working with us as part timers. They are handpicked based on a filtration process so that we guarantee a good customer experience for anyone who comes on the platform. We are also planning to hire for customer support as we expand our services.
When building such a platform, there are 5 key points to consider regarding the system, which are accessibility, scalability, high availability, usability, and agility. So our platform is available on multiple channels such as Android and iOS. It's also available in a web form in a web browser. Uh, our system is deployed on EC2, on Amazon EC2, using multiple Docker containers that allows our system to be more scalable depending on the traffic and the size of the platform. We're also integrating with Firebase Analytics in order to collect analytical data from the users that helps us design better user experiences for them while using the platform. We're also using GitLab continuous integration and deployment tools in order to be able to ship rapid features to the platform that are working and bug free. Our technical roadmap consists of multiple features that are willing to come to the platform, which are integrating with music applications such as Spotify and Anghami in order to better understand the music taste of the tutors and students and use it in the matchmaking process. We're also willing to use the data that we currently have on our system in order to build a machine learning model that provide a better matchmaking experience.
The benefits we get out of music education are numerous and irreplaceable. So please help us in reaching our vision of a world with higher music literacy. Help us by following Crescendos, spreading the word. And if you don't know where to start your journey of learning music, please scan this code and download our application. Thank you very much.